The Airbus H160 is more than just a helicopter. It is a solution crafted for the diverse demands of both civil and military markets. From law enforcement and public service missions in Europe and North America to private aviation fleets on nearly every continent, the H160 is engineered to excel in every operational environment. Its refined design delivers brilliant visibility, unmatched maneuverability, and an intuitive user experience, making it a trusted asset in the field. At the heart of the H160's success lies its rigorous design process and thorough testing. The program's dynamic Helicopter Zero prototype, now boasting nearly 1,300 flight hours, served as the proving ground where innovative ideas met practical challenges. Every flight, every test, and every refinement was driven by one goal: to create an aircraft that not only meets but exceeds the expectations of its operators. Every detail has been honed to perfection. The H160's aerodynamic lines, robust structure, and state-of-the-art systems have been designed to endure the rigors of varied missions. For operators working in harsh offshore conditions, the aircraft's superior resistance to corrosion and its efficient maintenance protocols ensure minimal downtime and maximum operational availability. With an availability rate that currently exceeds 90%, the H160 stands as a testament to Airbus's commitment to reliability and performance. To meet rising global demand, Airbus has established a robust production plan. The current target is to stabilize production at 40 units per year, a figure that will soon grow to 60 with the introduction of the H160M military variant. This strategic ramp-up underscores Airbus's confidence in the H160's market potential and its role as a cornerstone in the future of rotorcraft technology. Feedback from customers has been both encouraging and enlightening. Operators from diverse sectors, including the French Navy and public services such as the French Customs Service in the West Indies, have praised the H160 for its excellent visibility, rapid response capabilities, and ease of maintenance. The aircraft's innovative features, including a vortex pre-alert system and an assisted automatic takeoff function, not only enhance safety but also ease the pilot's workload, especially in confined or challenging operational areas. For law enforcement and public service agencies, where every second counts, the H160's quick reaction time and intuitive controls provide a significant operational advantage. Its ability to swiftly transition between low-altitude urban missions and high-altitude offshore operations demonstrates a versatility that few rotorcraft can match. This adaptability is crucial in a world where mission parameters are constantly evolving and where operators require a reliable and flexible platform to safeguard communities and support critical services. The journey of the H160 is not just about flight performance. It is also about forging lasting partnerships with those who operate it. Airbus has established dedicated operator communities and support networks that ensure continuous feedback from the field. This collaborative approach enables rapid adjustments and improvements in both the aircraft's design and its support services. Every piece of feedback is valued, every lesson learned is integrated, and every improvement is a step toward even greater reliability and excellence. Benoit Klein and his team believe that respect, teamwork, and a relentless drive for improvement are the keys to achieving greatness. By aligning the program's goals with the evolving needs of its operators, Airbus has not only delivered a high-performance aircraft, but also established a model for continuous innovation. This commitment to excellence is evident in every aspect of the H160's operation, from its design and testing phases to its ongoing production and field support. As the Airbus H160 takes to the skies, it carries with it a promise of safety, performance, and a future where technological innovation meets operational excellence. It represents the culmination of years of research, design, and testing, and it is poised to lead the way in a new era of rotorcraft technology. Its versatility makes it the ideal choice for operators across a spectrum of applications, and its advanced systems set a new benchmark in safety and efficiency. Look to the horizon, and you will see a future where the Airbus H160 is not only a tool for today, but a cornerstone of tomorrow's missions. With emerging opportunities in markets such as Australia and continued expansion into diverse operational sectors, the H160 is set to redefine what is possible in rotorcraft design. Its role in the upcoming H160M military variant further underscores its potential to evolve and adapt to the unique demands of modern warfare and defense. The H160 is designed for a world where missions are complex, environments are challenging, and every operation demands the highest level of reliability. Whether it is used for search and rescue, law enforcement, offshore support, or military applications, the H160's performance is uncompromised. Its intelligent design, backed by continuous real-world feedback, ensures that every flight is efficient, safe, and effective. Clarity is at the heart of the H160's design. From the control panels in the cockpit to the user-friendly maintenance protocols on the ground, every element has been crafted with the operator in mind. This focus on clarity not only enhances operational efficiency, but also contributes to a safer flying experience. Pilots can rely on precise, real-time data, while maintenance crews benefit from systems designed for ease of diagnosis and repair. In the training arena, the H160 has quickly become the gold standard for new and experienced pilots alike. Its responsive handling, combined with comprehensive safety features, creates an environment where every operator feels confident and prepared for any mission. Training programs have been established across the globe, ensuring that the expertise required to operate the H160 is disseminated widely and effectively. Beyond the cockpit and training facilities, the H160 support ecosystem is a vital part of its success. Airbus has invested heavily in setting up industrial infrastructures, comprehensive support services, and real-time operator communities. This network not only facilitates smooth operations, but also provides a platform for continuous improvement, where every piece of field data is used to refine the aircraft's performance. In a competitive market where technology and reliability are paramount, the Airbus H160 stands apart as a symbol of innovation and dependability. With its diverse applications across both civil and military sectors, the H160 offers a unique blend of advanced features and practical performance. It is a helicopter designed not only to meet today's operational challenges, but also to pave the way for the future of flight. Every innovation, every design breakthrough, and every operational success of the H160 is a reminder that progress is driven by the relentless pursuit of excellence. Airbus's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what is possible in rotorcraft technology is evident in every aspect of the H160 program, from its rigorous testing and careful design to its robust support network and clear operational benefits. As the H160 continues to evolve, its future looks brighter than ever. With planned advancements such as the H160M variant and ongoing enhancements based on operator feedback, Airbus is not simply building an aircraft. It is building a legacy that will serve as a foundation for safer skies, more efficient operations, and a new standard in rotorcraft innovation. From its humble beginnings as a concept born of visionary ideas, to its current status as a preferred choice across diverse operational fields, the Airbus H160 represents the future of flight. It is a result of passion, precision, and a deep understanding of the needs of modern operators. Every rotor turn, every flight hour, and every mission completed is a testament to the power of engineering excellence and human ingenuity. As you look skyward, remember that the Airbus H160 is more than a helicopter. It is a promise a promise of safety, performance, and innovation that reaches beyond the present into a future defined by progress and possibility. It is a symbol of what can be achieved when visionary leadership meets cutting-edge technology, when design is driven by real-world needs, and when every challenge is met with a solution that soars above the rest. This is Airbus. This is the H160. Embrace the future of flight with a machine that stands as a pillar of innovation and reliability. Welcome to a new era of rotorcraft excellence, where every mission is a journey, every flight is a promise, and every horizon is just the beginning.